Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment.
Welcome back. Okay, yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. What to kwitiani apa zvino? Kwitiani. Hey, I don't know. But yeah, ayo ndi ayo. Zvinji vatini zvidivo zvinhu zvakuitea tiri pedzi fungo lina ndikoti uri ndiyandoti andoamba ngalo murau maybe 2-3 days back and fungo la muraha musi Stan na Roadkid vachiko announce uri hi relationship yavo yosvika magumoni vosvika vabvisa press release yanefala vachikwamba uri Roadkid kuzvinova zvino ndizori hachamanajiwa ngaStreet Empire Artist Management Agency ine yavori ioniwa ngadi Stan. Rode richiamba radhiwana vamwe vakodhijana vakodhiamba yei hadzi yavuya tokomenta jana kanoramba chitu yana madhuva aridivi udzwa dziyunivhesiti udzwa dzikoleji udzwa dzihigh school yo ndingoita research mara yo ndiyayo. So if you remember the partnership yotoma murahu wanenge ngavo 2019 vachikoshumisana zvazvikuitia ndizori Stan vakomanaja career yamuimbi nayavori ndi Roadkid ani adhiwa ngori ndi wanga Sadiki. So boshuma nga manda vatu if you look from where RVK or many abe RKV, yeah, RKV, not RVK. RKV, where to monitor Roadkid usika uneavone zvizo no. You'll see hovana nyaluwo hovana different uchidaka career yawe azongosika mapungu alovindi na manager risaboni chanduko risakobona zvine zvavo zori zvikuitiwa. So kahava vaviri kana kaidzi company mbili ni yavori ndi RKV Music na Street Empire Artist Management Agency. Chomero iraibona yo vakuru vanenga manda. So ndendavona zvino ndidzi comment dzinedza dzikobva kavunji yavaimbi vaneva vachiko celebrate uri hosvika kune Roadkid na Stan vapambana. It's more like vavasakomuvishira zvibuya kwavona. It's more like kavoi vovotakarira uri kamsi asingova na manager kana asingova hune ava hone asingona dzibooking dzine ava dzone ende vamwe vadzina dzifene dzavo nikudziona vakudzimwariwa nepala ukosemiwa Stan ukosemiwa vamwe vakudzisema Roadkid uri hey mini nonja decision yarongo havana vamwe vanje vakudzisema Stan vakusumbedzisa uri ukobera focus ko manager Roadkid ubusy na Alicia na limwe. It's not a good manager like razvingizvambiwawo pedzi nchisadza nawanore zvozvikwambonga vatu vane they don't really understand the music business, they don't even understand what it means to have a manager. Rosidza khavamwe vachikudhiamba uri hadizevu vana manager anga run everything. It tells you uri iartist ichikwamba zoraro hoi that artists have never gone on stage like vachikwamba stage vakodhiamba nephotoshuliwa unyana vasokogunya neplantafind stage. I'm talking about a real stage, a proper stage, an event, festival, something that you know when you're on stage, like there is thousands of people, there's hundreds of people that are there. Uri how hard it is nisina manager to even go on that stage. Performer because you need management to handle stuff. When it comes to timing, you need that manager. The relationship that you build with other artists, you build with other businesses, you need a manager that get involved to get you those things, to happen. The Kwamba says the endorsement, So Roadkid already posted Kwamba yes, relationship your pair, so he's gonna have his own team. I don't know, check on WhatsApp status. He's gonna have a team. Recording the team when the apana wanori kamsi. Wanawa wako handler mafungo amwana's interview. Wanawa wako handler ujensa nyimbo za radio ni TV ni. Wanawa wako handler ujensa zutuka zi magazine, the blog, the website, wherever those that needs to be reached. Now wanawa tu bane bako handler the bookings zawe nori awane zimwe booking ndurindi yapo na onori you have a booking agent and again those people are hustling for you to get gigs bako communicate na the event coordinator uri you get to a bigger scale, zvinozova zvino ndizori every artist every creative, every employee, you do have a supervisor or a manager that need to handle everything that is happening on the ground. You cannot be a manager yourself. Now record, then you expect to go get the interviews, then you have to negotiate deals. No, you can't all do those things. So you do need. So as you come to team, that's how I'm seeing it, because I think I've done a video 2017, 2018. I think it was shot in Mozambique, something like that. Ichikwamba ngazo zituri, how you can get your friends, you can get your family, you can get people around you to be your management team, to handle your work, do things, and you focus on over an artist. How you can focus on build the branding, because brand artist, it's not built just by an artist. It's very difficult. Ndo mwana makadza ko comment ko more yaran go faredan mini yo to show uri, but they only pretend like they care and love you. Sadzingoza zifene zezi lazina wa dibudore zifene baba busy ko sema makadzi on the same post. So it tells you uri huna bangwe ba bathu bane ba bori, they only pretend like they give a damn, or they're your fans or your followers when it suits them. You know, the way I got pinned Ruangayo, it was bad, man. She was just trying to voice out to guys, you guys talk that. Generator, hey, what? I'm like, do you think we really have Vanna Papetu? Social media just because you are disagreeing with someone? If you look at it, mostly right now, when I look, someone says I'm province na Mindos da Venda page, you have those guys who argue at any given point. Even if they're ready to tell you that, yeah, I'm ready to argue. Argue, I mean, you're like, what do you really? You look and like, wow. And then tomorrow they will be like, you need to respect me. Okay, what am I respecting, dude? Social media. Like, really? So yeah, man. It doesn't mean no. They are still friends, and the truth in your from time to time you'll still find them working together, because it's not just, it might be the management part that Stan is no longer more involved, but they're still partners. Like, when I'm saying partners, I mean like they're still friends. They still hang out, they still sit down and do the work together. As mapungori, no. Even if you check the pictures, if you check some of the videos, they're still together. You find them chilling and hanging out. So, who got the word business relationship have come to an end. So then, as an artist, you grow. There's demands, new demands. Before you, when you met, there's one like bigger record labels. You'll find that the demands changes as an artist grow. How can I put it again? An artist grow. Now, the environment that when they came in, it's no longer the same now. The certain levels, when they work hard, so there's a lot of things that needs to change, and they want their brand maybe to take it that direction, and you want to take that direction. You need to allow them to go, and then you do your own thing. They do their own thing. If it still brings you back together, it will bring you together. That's one thing when it comes to the entertainment industry. It's something that always happen, or creative differences will be there. Direction when it comes to building brands and all that will still be different from time to time. So this is true criteria, it's just business decision that they've taken. No, this stunt. Yes, even if it's stunt, who cares? It worked for them. But the truth in theory, they're still gonna work together. It's not over, it's not done. Come on. Why not? That's one thing. That's why you won't find them going on social media or going China right now, because they are still together and they're still working. Come on. So I don't know where you want me to talk about. Yeah, man, just hit me up. You know what to do. Hit me up on the WhatsApp. You can hit him up on social media. You can just comment down below and tell me that what else do you want me to look at, and yeah, I'll tell you if I can. Yeah, so Stan and which is he owns Street Empire Artist Management Agency and wrote Kid Venda Music. They've gone their separate ways. This is one thing I've always said. When you sign, don't sign yourself. Sign your record label. Sign your company. That helps you get more money. But do a topical with Nda.